Hey guys, my name's Marja. This is everything you need to know to build a grazing table. Grazing tables are the best for entertaining, so let's jump into it. To make our grazing table, we're going to be using this door, but you can use any old door that you have laying around or even a piece of timber or an old tabletop. If you're using an old door, you're going to need to give it a good sand back first, but because we're using this new door, we don't need to worry about sanding it. We're going to apply a 3-in-1 primer, sealer and undercoat before we apply our colour. When you apply your paint to your roller, just make sure it's really nice and evenly applied across your whole roller. And when you're going in, you can just let the roller do all the work for you. Okay, so we've let our table dry, so now it's time to apply the colour. We just need to make sure that we give our paint a really good mix, just to make sure that the colour's evenly distributed. So you can see here with the paint, some of the tint's not really mixed in very well. That's why it's really important to give it a good mix yourself before you apply any of your colour. It'll just make it nice and consistent. Oh, this colour is amazing. While we're waiting for our tabletop to dry, we're just going to get started on our table legs. Now, because our legs are metal, we're going to be using a different product. This here is a spray paint especially designed for metal. Now that our top's in position, we're just going to fix it off with these Batten screws. We're just going to evenly mark with our tape where we'd like our screws to be positioned. Now we need to make sure that our legs are evenly spaced, just so all of the weight distributes evenly across the door. One of the key tricks to creating a grazing table is creating different heights at different levels. To do this, we're using this tray table, a crate, and a basket. So there you have it, the perfect grazing table for your next party.